A very good morning to all of you. Today students we do lesson number 24 data handling activity 1. In the previous video we understand what are data handling and how to handle the data in 3 different ways. Then I told you about telemark, what is a telemark, what is the use of telemark and how we make telemarks. Clear? So student, today we are going to start activity 1. Activity 1 is having only one question. A local bookshop issues books on 5 days of the week. You have to read the table carefully and answer the question. Here, how many books were issued on Tuesday? On first question, you have to tell how many books on Tuesday issued. See, on Tuesday there are 19 books. So students, you have to write 19 over here. Clear? Now, on which 2 days the same number of books were issued? Now see student, on which 2 days there are same number of books? 13 books are sold on Monday and same 13 books are sold on Thursday. So we will write here day's name because they are asking days. So we will write here Monday, and Tuesday. Clear students? Then question number 3. On which day were the maximum books issued? See, maximum means greatest number you have to find out. So maximum is 25 and 25 is on Friday. So in this you have to write Friday. Clear? Now question number 4 is how many total books were issued in the week? Means you have to tell total number of books. For that what you have to do, you have to plus this 13 plus 19 plus 21 plus 13 and then plus 25. And student, when you plus it, total number will come 91. So fourth question answer is 91. So this one question student you have to do in the book on page number 223. Clear? Now after this student we do activity 2. In activity 2 also we do 2 questions, first and second, because third question is totally same just like a first and second. So see how we do question number 1 and 2. Firstly, see question number 1. The number of trees of different types are planted inside the garden of a town is shown in the following table. See, there the trees names and how many plants of that one tree are grown in the garden. See, it is written. Even they have said that you have to represent this information using the pictograph, and one tree is equals to 50 tree. It means that all these number, when you make, dear student, you have to keep one thing in mind. Whenever you make a pictograph, in that case you have to divide all the numbers with a number which is given down. Clear? So all the numbers you have to divide by 50, and whatever number come, that one number you have to use for making trees. So see how we make a pictograph. First of all, you have to write like this manner in the maths copy. Activity 2 question number 1 like this manner. Then solution will be like this. Tree, firstly you write tree and then you write number of trees. In the side you have to write here one tree is equals to 50 trees. So you have to write this thing also. Then every number, as I told you, you have to divide by 50. So first number when I divide by 50, I get 2. Clear? Second number is 300. So 300 when I divide it by 50, I get 6. Now banyan trees are 200. So 200 trees when you divide by 50, you get 4. Now gulmohar, their number is 350. So 350 when you divide by 50, you get 7. Then 150 you divide by 50, you get 3. Why we are dividing? Because you are not able to make so many trees in one box. Are you able to make 100 trees? No. 300 trees? No, you can't make. So that's why whatever number is given to us, so you have to use that number for dividing the given numbers. Clear? Now see, here in this, when you divide 100 by 50, you get 2. So it means you have to draw only 2 mangoes tree. So here you use this one symbol only because they have already given. Now see neem tree. It is having 300. So 300 when you divide by 50 you get 6 trees. So here you will draw in this box 6 trees. Remember you can't use another symbol. You have to use same symbol which is given in the question. So here tree picture is given, so you have to use this one symbol only. Clear? Now banyan trees are 200. So 200 when you divide by 50 you get 4 trees. So here you draw 4 trees only. Then Kulmohar, there are 7 trees come, so you have to draw 7 trees over here. Clear? Palm trees are 3, so you have to draw 3 trees. Clear, student? Whenever the pictograph come, you have to draw like this manner. Even you have to mention 1 tree is equals to 50 tree. Clear? Now student, we do question number 2. In this question you have to draw pictograph also and answer the following questions also. The question is, the table given below shows the number of students of class 5th belong to various houses. Means house Nehru, Gandhi, Patel, Naidu, Shastri is given, and along with that number of students also given. What you have to do, as you have done in first question, you divide the given number by the numbers. This one is given, with that only you have to divide all the numbers. Clear? So students, you have to do like this manner. All the number you have to divide by 10. Now student, 60 divided by 10, answer comes 6. It means you have to make 6 smileys because in the question smiley picture is given, so you have to use this one smiley only. Second number is of Gandhi, that is 50, so you have to divide 50 by 10, answer comes 5. So means 5 smileys you have to make. Then 70 divided by 10, answer comes 7, so you have to make 7 smiley. Then here come 55 and here comes 65, means in Naidu and Shastri there is 55 and 65. So what you have to do? You have to divide both the numbers. Students, when you divide the 55 by 10, answer will come 5.5. Clear? And 65 when you divide by 10, answer comes 6.5. Now 5 you can easily make, but the problem come how to make 0.5. For 0.5 you have to make half smiley. See, I have made firstly 5 smiley full, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all are full, but 0.5 I have made half smiley, means 1 eye and half lips. Clear? So similarly we made Shastri one, here also half smiley and mouth will be half one. Clear? And down you have to mention 1 smiley is equals to 10 student. Clear? Now student, we do the answer the following question. In this question number 1 is, which house has the maximum student? So which house is having maximum student? Patel is having maximum student. So you have to write down the name of a house, that is Patel only. Then second one question is, how many students are there in Gandhi house? In Gandhi house how many students are present? There are 50. So you write here 50. Clear? In C part they are saying, find the total number of students in class 5. Class 5 how many students are present? You have to plus all these students. Means you have to plus Nehru's number, Gandhi number, Patel number, Naidu, Shastri number, all. Means 60 plus 50 plus 70 plus 55 plus 65. Answer come 300. Now student, question number 3 is same like question number 2. One book picture is given. Clear? That one question you have to do by yourself in the copy. Clear? It is also having answered the following question, you have to do it. Now you have to make this one picture. So students whosoever are not able to make this one picture, they can make a picture like this manner also. That is also correct. Clear? So students, today you learn how to make a pictograph, and when the number come in decimal, so in that case how you take a half smiley and half pictures. So I hope you understand how to make pictograph and how to read pictograph, and this one question you have to do by yourself in the maths copy. So thank you and have a nice day.